go and we add in the width, smart dimensions, told it's 70. Okay, now if you look, our dimensions there again, poor dimension sheet, we're assuming this along the center line. Really, if we had to measure that out, 35, it should be dead on. So again, just better drawing sheets would be better for us. Anything else we need to put in? Well, we've measured from the top, we've measured from the center. You can see in our drawing we're not fully defined. Good way of figuring out how we're not fully defined. You know, try and drag the blue lines around, see where its degree of freedom is. Moving kind of side to side. I know we snapped it to the center point, but what might just keep us that bit better is drawing in some construction geometry to keep us right. Then you add in a relation for this center point and this line be coincident. There we go, fully defined. Lovely. So we go features, we'll extrude that up. So we need to extrude it the other way, and we're going to go up to next, and that allows us, it goes up to the next kind of surface or body, so that gives us that nice shape there instead of, so we get that lovely finish on it. So take OK, and now we have that, and that blue line is just our planes. Sometimes that gets, I'll show you how to hide that later, it's just we may need to put in a new plane again, so I'll leave it for the moment. Right, we want to put in our cutouts along the edge here. Now we're sort of only referencing one from the top, and it must be a pattern on out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut out a square, 8 down, 3 in height, 5 thickness. Okay, let's go and cut that out. I'm going to look from the side, so I'm going to cut through it directly on there. I'm going to sketch, and I'm just going to go corner rectangle, and I'll pull it in from the corner there. So let's start dimensioning it up. I'm going to have a dimension from the top. We're told it's 8. We have, zoom in, 3 in thickness there. We'll go with 3. What else are we told? We're told this is 5. Go back there. We're told, yeah, it's 5 in. And then the other dimension we're told is the distance between the end point and the starting point. The next one is 5. So that's going to be the distance for a linear pattern. How many of them have we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them all together. So let's try and pattern that out. So we'll go features, we'll extrude cut that out. Cut, and we'll go through all. It's going right through the whole thing. All as will be. And we are going to look to do a linear pattern. The direction we're going is going to be along this edge. Going to be 8 in total, including itself. Feature, we want a pattern. It's going to be that last cut. Okay, and the distance we want to put between them, we'll just put in 5 for the moment, and then we double check that we're correct. What we can see there, we're not actually correct. So I have a feeling it's going to be 5 plus 3. Okay, because if you put that in, what we need to check is we need to check that the distance from this face to this face is 5. So let's check that. Evaluate it. Measuring tape. This face to this face is 5. Brilliant. So then our pattern is correct. So parts are really starting to come along now. Got all these little features. Feature tree is nice and big. May not be always the best thing, but we'll talk about that at the end. And we'll look to add in these little legs now at the bottom. So we're going to pick that up in the next video.